Okay guys, we're gonna look on these washing machines. The first one is Candy Smart. 8 kilogram total to spin rapid cycle. Kilogram detector. Oh shoot, it's broken. Smart touch. Green. Pre-wash. Cold pre-wash. Equal 50cc. To the 20. 36. Rinse. Spin dry. Drain spin. Drain plus spin. No. Now let's go up now. Jeans. It looks like hospital or something. Hand wash. Silks. Daily 59. No, it's much more. Rapid 14, 30, 44 minutes and daily 59. Results as you can see, it's broken. The options we got. Options. The push and iron, time delay, rapid search level, temperature, spin speed max 1200, temperature max 90, and goes down to 20 with actually cold or not. CS1282 DW4S. This is drum set. We'll have a backhoe now. Model is B5WF U78418WB. Count equal 5060. Certificates Express, Woolens, General Care, downloaded program, spin only, rinse, dark hair, outdoor, standard expert, hygiene plus, downwear shirts, brush, steam, quick wash, time delay, and steam start pause. Now Bosch. Oh no, because I won't need a door. The smallest drum in the world. The model here. WAJ 24065BY/47. Just called 2040 Eco Pre-wash 40 60 90 130 spin only, drain only, and delicate silk 30. I used to get 30 40 on the worst 60. I don't know. I'm not sure. 40 quick mix. Super quick 15-30 minutes, 30 degrees. And Genie plus 60. Spin speed and finishing was just time play. Speed perfect. Start pause. There's something. Program, you could select program. On off, start pause. Select anything you want. Temperature, action interruption, user jump speed and speed. Now there's the quick push on anything. name? The model. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.